This video is about understanding your analytics and key performance indicators using the dashboard views. Once you log into the software, you will land on the dashboard screen. Here, we provide three types of dashboards: lead dashboard, revenue dashboard, and project dashboard. In the lead dashboard, you can view analytics such as lead sources from different channels, lead milestones based on their current status, and meeting events including past, today's, and upcoming meetings. You can also see questionnaire statuses, proposal statuses, most used templates, recent call logs, and recent activities. In the revenue dashboard, you can view all finance-related analytics such as invoices and payments, the total amount across all projects, the amount received, and the pending balance. You can also see revenue split by project type, payment methods used, vendor payments that are pending, missed payments, and monthly summaries. Additionally, you can view reports such as RFQs sent, RFQs converted to purchase orders, commonly used proposals and estimates, revenue versus expense profit, vendor details, expected payments, and recent financial activities. In the project dashboard, you can track all task and schedule-related updates. You can see task statuses such as completed, in progress, and overdue tasks, along with schedule statuses for all planned schedules. You can also view inventory updates made by site engineers, schedule completion trends versus actual completion, assigned tasks and schedules, and task completion trends. Time tracking analytics are also available, including user login activity, break times, top users by time logged, time versus cost, daily logs, and recent activities. If needed, you can filter the dashboard data by a specific project to view detailed updates. You can also filter by assignee to see individual performance and activity. That's all in this video on understanding dashboards and analytics in the system. Thank you.